Hi, this is David Feakes, owner of the Parents Estate Planning Law Firm, and this video is another in a series of answers to our clients' frequently asked questions. And today's question is, what is a contingent distribution? A contingent distribution is the distribution that you put in your will or in your trust that covers what happens if your primary beneficiaries do not survive to receive assets from your will or from your trust. So let me give you an example that'll help you to understand this. Let's say you're married and you have two children. Your will or your trust says if one of us dies, everything goes to the survivor, and if the survivor of us dies, everything goes to our two children. Let's assume further for a moment that your two children do not survive you, or something happens to your primary family together in a common accident. So if your children do not survive you, your contingent distribution is your set of instructions about where your assets go if your primary beneficiaries, in this hypothetical, your children, do not survive you. That's what a contingent distribution is. If you are single with children, it's what happens if something happens to you and your children. Who do you want or what charities would you want to receive your assets if your primary beneficiaries didn't survive? And if you're married with no children or single with no children, it's what happens if your named primary beneficiaries, again, don't survive. So if, for example, you don't have children, you've named your siblings as the beneficiaries of your will or of your trust, the contingent distribution is what happens if your siblings, none of your siblings, survive you. It's a way for us to help you build in a level of redundancy into either your will or your trust, so there is always a named beneficiary one way or another to receive your assets. We just don't want your assets to hit a dead end at any point. So that is what a contingent distribution is.